Introducing Milwaukee's Trapsnake Interchangeable Powered Auger System. The system that offers multiple auger attachments unified by one single power source. Trapsnake delivers versatility and capabilities never seen before in other augers. This system allows you to choose your power source from manual operation to a powered M12 solution. Our M12 Trapsnake Driver delivers power and speed to work through tough clogs and tight traps. This driver is optimized to control the RPM and torque output to protect porcelain fixtures, while allowing you to feel when you're engaged with the clog for aid in retrieving. You can now choose the right tool for the job with the 25-foot auger, the 6-foot toilet auger, or the 4-foot urinal auger, all on the Milwaukee M12 Trapsnake system. The Milwaukee Trapsnake 25-foot auger features cable drive technology, which allows for faster navigation through drain lines with automatic feed and retract. This tool is also equipped with cable lock to allow for maximum control to clear clogs. The 6-foot toilet auger and the 4-foot urinal auger have a telescoping lock mechanism that holds the cable in place for the easiest full cable extension and retraction, while a fixed rubber boot ensures maximum porcelain protection throughout the life of the tool. These are the first augers to use replacement cables, saving you money over time and increasing the longevity of your tool. Milwaukee Trapsnake Interchangeable Powered Auger System. One system for urinals, toilets, and sinks. Milwaukee Trapsnake System. The Interchangeable Powered Auger System.